Madam.
You're welcome. Come inside. You need cold water.
Madam, no, I'm okay. So, what's
Okay.
wrong?
Alright, so
for me.
my kitchen, the zinc is not working. The water stopped coming out. So you help me with that, and my bedroom too. But let's go to the kitchen first.
Lead the way, madam.
Oh yeah, let's go. So as I told you earlier, the water is not coming out. So I think it's blocked. Please let me to check it. Easy.
Madam, is everything okay?
Yes. Do your work.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you done? Are you through with it?
Eh?
Are you through?
Almost.
Okay, just hold on, I'm coming. Okay?
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, you are done.
Yes, madam, it's working. It's working, confirm and see.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay, the bathroom.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
go.
Okay, you are preparing to shower.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, come inside. Let me just check here. It's not working too. Are you done?
Madam,
Yeah?
is everything
Yeah,
okay?
I'm fine.
Madam, what's all this now? Let me concentrate
Okay,
now.
I'm sorry. Concentrate, I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay.
Yes, everything is working, madam.
Okay, thank you. Check your phone. I just sent you your money.
I got it, 40,000.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sorry, hold on, not yet. I'd like you to help me fix something here.
Madam, he prepared a table before me in the presence of my enemy. Who be this kind of table?
What's wrong with you? I've been showing you everything since.
You anoint my hair with oil, my cup runneth over. Madam, no be for this kind of oil. No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.